this would be Mrs. Clark trying to hide in the camera.
Okay, we are back in the laundry room. Things have been going a little bit better, you know. I was able to purchase this with the Patreon money, so thank you guys. Beautiful little creature. His name looks to be Swachichi. It's kind of a rainy Friday night here, okay, so we're going to be getting a little bit cozy, doing a little music making. I got a little project opened up, a Lindrum and some snare sounds going. Sounds a little bit like this. Let's put an hour on the clock and let's begin. We're going to be up in here for 1 hour, boys and ladies. I think there's a singular lady or two. Welcome. I guess we're starting. I always feel weird doing this live. I've got a bass synth right here. Let's see what this sounds like. Promising sound. Let's record something basic. Okay, I'm gonna loop that, quantize it, and let's put something on top. All right, this is the Korg MS-20V Analog Baroque. Maybe a little too much reverb. All right, we'll keep it basic. I might be starting from scratch right now. Hold on 1 second. Okay, this shit's goofy. Suck. This song's gonna be stupid. God, I'm just not feeling the inspiration. We're 25 minutes in. I'm starting to get some anxiety. I'm starting to sweat. Feeling like I need medication. I can't handle the heat. I can't handle the pressure. I'm cracking, okay? I'm a fraud. Whoa, ass. Yo, this sounds kind of cool. Okay, maybe let's make this a lot faster. I think the problem is there's no hi-hats. This is truly stupid. Okay, for some reason this dumbass sound is getting me all hopped up, juiced up. Let's whip out the bass. I think we got some shit in there. It sounded like a tin can kind of idiot freak song, you know, just like you're in like a little robot is moving like this. Anyway, it's quite abrasive. I'm gonna keep this, but I'm gonna see if I can find any more sounds on here that are just a little toned down. Okay, that's kind of fun. We're gonna figure this out, boys. Don't you worry. Got 15 minutes left. I want to switch to vocals soon, though. I got you. Have faith. Trust me, we're deleting all the bad parts right now. Dude, I think... somehow, I think we got a fucking song. Let's throw some tambourine on there. Boom. Let's throw some tambourine. Tambourine. Okay. I gotta loop this one part. Let's see. This fixes it. Okay. Jesus, we only got about 10 minutes left. Let's go. Ooh. Just a bitch with a trick, and I don't care for it. Ooh, no. Oh, no. Just a bitch with a trick is all I've got so far. Life in the cubicle, it is so pleasing to me. I used to know a jungle, now all I know is a cubicle. The singing ain't quite right. Life in the cubicle. Okay, I'm just gonna start listing what an office space is. Life in the cubicle is my dream. In the cubicle is life. In the cubicle is love. Life in the cubicle is love. They've got ads on display in these office chairs. Ooh, they've got snacks in the boardroom. Ooh, they've got a water cooler on tap. I'm in love. Shit! Guys, I'm close. Sweet God, no. I hate to say this, but the hour has elapsed. The song is not quite in a condition to be heard by the masses or the public or anyone that's alive. But I'm gonna do about 100 vocal takes off camera because I suck. And that's what needs to happen. But we have the outline of a song, the instrumental's there. It's just the lyrics and the vocals are not there. So I'm going to whip that up. Use your imagination. I'm going to play the song for you. Thank you for joining me in the laundry room.